that. This young lady from Croft Primary School has got little rainbows, stars and flowers.
I like the flowers on the back.
Another very colourful one. The youngsters do definitely have an eye for the colour. I like this one.
Yeah.
I do like this one. So we've got Incredible Hulk, Spider-Man, the NHS and teachers as a...
Heroes, yeah, so very clever, so creative. He's got the NHS in there outside of the superheroes. I mean, this guy's pretty smart, isn't
he? He is. Very detailed one here. We've got lots of little animals.
Is that a turtle I can see?
Yeah.
It's a turtle.
Fabulous.
I like this one personally. Castles and the little friends. We're hoping to see some of them drawing themselves and what have you, but I do like that one. Rainbows, castles, and lots of little girls on the front as being friends.
Yorkshire Rose going on in the middle there, is it?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, I'm not sure where the school's based, but perhaps a Yorkshire school. But another collaborative effort there from the boys and girls. Not sure what that says. Oh, meow. That's a cat in the top right. A little cat under a rainbow. So another lovely colourful one. That's your designs. So, what do you think? What do you think? Which ones would we like to? Which ones would you definitely like to see in the final?
That one's my favourite.
I do like that one.
Just because it's so bright.
Just got
the really
that would make a good print. That.
Yeah.
Yeah. So yeah, we've got 2 year ones in the final currently. 2 year twos.
It's so difficult. They're all so good. You know, you could pick something out of every one of these that you liked.
Yeah. That's your
I
favourite
like
from this
it, yeah.
category.
It's the theme, and you know, his drawings are good. You can see exactly what they are, the message, the relevance. Seems to be the one that's ticking the boxes.
So they're your top 6 for the first category. Right, middle classes. Overlooking the right side of the tent, but there's a lot of detail gone into it. There's a lot of quite colourful. There's mountains.
Yeah, I mean, we've got a volcano looking at there, isn't it? And we've got it's not a black hole. It's a coloured hole. It looks like
galaxy,
Galaxy.
the swirly. I can see, you know, and you can see the depth in that. So that's it's pretty good.
Quite a detailed one. That one. So that was your favourite from the.
Yeah.
So again, potentially, it could be that this young lad's extremely intricate image can be used alongside this young lady's intricate image as a
a similar design, aren't there? There's lots of layers to it. There's a lot going on, isn't there?
Yeah. Very positive message on this one. Be happy, friends, the NHS, and believe. Very colourful. Lots of use of the rainbow on there.
Again, strong message again. We've got some buntings, which means it's a party where anybody's going to. We've got to go through the rainbow. There's lots of love there as well. Hey,
you like that one?
Wins it for me, yeah.
So possibly.
Like a tent, so.
It does look like a tent, yeah. You can see the depth of it.
Oh, maybe so they've drawn a yurt.
Yeah, it's a yurt.
So somebody's drawn a yurt on that one. The remaining sort of like the heritage.
It's got a theme. He's got the sport going on there. He's got activities, and he's got his river running through it.
So that was a strong one to get on there.
It's intrigued us all, hasn't it? What's going on here?
Yeah, we'll have to ask the question if they win. So we're happy we've got a strong top 6 there, haven't we?
Yeah.
We've got probably the best out of the bunch. Okay, excellent. It's the middle. We're on to the last category now then. Rights, awards, appreciation, celebrate. Learning is the key to open doors to greater lives. Maths, music, English, reading, science, history.
Yeah, you've got to give some credit to the teaching on these, because the teachers are sending out the right messages to the kids, aren't they?
Yeah. Yeah, it's nice. It's nice to see. Some left, they do quite like maths, and then an art as well. So it's little.
This is very good. bright side. Yeah.
Yeah. So it's a picture of a picture.
Yeah. Love it.
Wow. So yeah, young lady from Brimond has done that one. We were going to say that. But yeah, no, it's quite contemporary. It's
A little bit different compared to the other ones.
It would look very good actually.
good.
If you have the emojis on each side of your canopy at a fair, you wanted somebody to, depending on what you were selling out of it, you know, it's, you wouldn't think of doing that actually, would you? But it does. It would work.
Yeah. Very colourful. It's like some slime on the top, on the bottom right.
That is very
Stained glass window style, tie-dye style, and then all very abstract and very artistic.
It's like a Grinch one.
Yeah, I was thinking that was a bit like the Grinch.
Which one?
The right one. You know, the green slide.
All right. Grinch. Is that? Oh, like the.
Like
Don't
the
tell me you
Grinch.
don't know what the Grinch is.
I know. Yeah. Very bright, Barney. So that would be quite an eye-catching tent as well.
Stuck to the school colours as well. I think.
Yeah. Gone bright, yellow and green. I think.
I think that's a good one for sure.
Oh, what about the best sloth in space? Are we giving him? Are we giving him
Yeah,
points
I
for?
think
Got to for that.
It's too good of a story not to.
Just for being creative and having a good sense of humour.
It's thought about the layout of the images as well, because it's not just all from the front. Like he's gone from like aerial views as well.
Yeah.
Yeah. Nice.
Sloths. I like sloths.
Oh no, so we haven't got any from this school.
That's got to be shortlisted, hasn't it?
Yeah, you happy for that to be
Yeah.
the sixth